So greetings guys, today as you can see I have ordered this Lava cell phone from Amazon, and as you can see they are not believing in open box delivery, but I guess this packing is intact, although very poor quality of polythene material I have observed, and my daughter is helping me in order to unwrap it up. Please hold it from here. Pakdo. And as you can see I am making this cut. And thank you. Yay! So once again there is one minor packing over here, but I guess no tap, I can still open it from here. And oh, this is the box itself, and okay, this has the bill, which has costed me around 17,499, although I paid 70,500, and today morning itself the deal is roughly around 70,000 only. So yes, this is still a loss for me. Now without wasting any time, let me show you the packing itself. Although this packing is intact from all the sides, okay, and let me try to open this up. So it will be very difficult to open this with a handicapped manner, but let me try it for you. Beta, please step aside. Okay, just hold it from here, hold it tight, right? Okay, so from this corner I'm opening this up. So let us stare. Beta, please open this up. Tear it out, beta. Okay. Yes. So finally the box, and as you can see there is no, yes, okay, the mark seal is over here, only on the one edge, right? Otherwise the box is intact. So let us make the cut, and this is one of the most beautiful feeling. Okay, so the box was seal packed earlier and we have made this cut, and let us try to open it up. Oh, so unique box. And oh, here we got our device itself. Let us put this on this side. It is covered by plastic itself. Okay, how possibly we could open this up? Yes, okay, this, I guess, yes, this attachment is stuck inside the box, and no grip is here to open this up. Oh, finally the tray was removed. This is plastic tray, by the way, and as the company claims, for any replacement, if you found any hardware issue, so that is card. This is the TPU case, I guess, although it has this SIM ejector tool as well. And as you can see, we got our big bulky charger adapter with, as you can see, type C to type C attachment. Okay, and there is one more attachment for your headphone jack as well, right? So I guess this is pretty much it. Now let us try to get to the case itself. So of course, one silicone, plastic, and the TPU case.
Oh wow, mobile.
Okay. And let us open this up. So this is very greenish color. Step aside, beta, step aside. And as you can see, I'm recording from this another device, and let us try to switch it on. So anyway, the phone is working. This is our device, and many thanks for watching. We will see you in the upcoming video. Thank you. Have a nice day.